Welcome to using JetNexus ALBX flightPATH to log or email 404 errors. First, let's start by configuring a flightPATH rule. In the Details section, click Add New and give your rule a name and a description. Don't forget to hit Update before moving on to the condition. The first part of the rule is called a condition. Here we want to match only when the response code back from the web server does contain 404. The evaluation section can be left blank, and our action section will contain two actions. The first is to log event to syslog. In the target section, we specify what message we want to see. The clever part is the $host $path$. This will automatically tell us the host name and path that produced the 404 error. The second action is to email the event. So here we just choose email event, and our target can be exactly the same, so we can cut and paste that in there from the top one. Before we test, let's check our email events page. And what we were looking for is to make sure that we have enabled the flightPATH tick box and given it a name. And also to check our SMTP settings. Now we need to apply our newly created rule to a channel. Pick a channel from the IP services page and drag the rule from right to left to apply. Open up a browser to the channel and check the base page works. And now let's make something up to check we are logging and emailing this 404 error. So we can see from the browser we get a 404 error. Let's go to our syslog now, which is in the bottom section. Choose the latest syslog, which is at the top of that bottom section. If we scroll to the bottom of our text file, now we can see that the message, including the host and the path that produced the 404 error, and I'll just highlight that in blue so you can see that. So let's now look at my email and see if we get the same message, and you can see there it's the same message. I'll highlight that again. And congratulations, you can now configure flightPATH to log or email 404 errors.